Hey everyone, this is our video towards building our career in AI. So we are using make.com. So for automation tool, make.com is a tool where you can connect hundreds of apps together for building automations, workflows, or scenarios. You can say there are triggers and actions in it, and you have to create idea or sketch of the automation and then start building here. So you just have to go and get started free. So it will offer you 1,000 free operations every month. I already have an account, so I will log in, and here I'm logged in. So the dashboard is very easy. We are in our organization right now. We can see the credits here, and on the left side we have subscription, payment, credit usage, stuff. But specifically, if we want to see the scenarios, we can go here. Like any scenario created, we can see it here. Edit that, or create a new scenario. So I'm creating a new scenario. It will be a simple automation. So let's say there is a Google form of a solar company. When it will be submitted, it should send a reply to them, to the client who submitted the form, through Gmail. So first of all, I will add the trigger here. So this is a dashboard for creating the scenario, by hitting the plus icon here or typing it here. Let's say Google form. There are hundreds of apps here, but yeah, we need Google form for now. Google form. So here we have, and we need a trigger, like triggers when a new response is received. So this will be a trigger, and I will limit it to one. Only one form entry should be received at a time. And yeah, I need the form ID. I'll open the forms from here, and I had the form for solar company, so here it is. So I just need the ID for form ID from here. So here I have the ID, and I can copy the link. Actually, open this here, and I need to copy the ID again. So here's the ID, and I will put that here in make.com for the connection. If you don't have any connection, you can click on add and sign in with Google. So it will ask for the Google form connection to make.com, and it is very easy. And then you have to add the form ID after creating a form, and then you can hit save, and from now on it should proceed. So when I will we can turn it on, but yeah, there is no action right now. So yeah, we can turn it on now. It will be running after every 15 minutes. It will be checking if there is a new submission, form submission or not. We can run it every day, every days a week, days a month, on specific days, and on demand as well. We can reduce the time, like 1 or 2 minutes or 10 minutes, but that's in the paid plan. In the free plan, we can set the time for 15 minutes or more than 15 minutes. So for now, I am just turning it off and running it manually. So yeah, connection is good, but there is no data right now because I didn't submitted the form. Let's say my bill is 44 and I belongs to city Lodra, and my mail ID is littleprince786 So when I will submit this form and try to fetch the data manually again, we'll have the answers here. So I just want to see the mail ID. Yeah, we have, and we can see the bill and city from there. And now we want, whenever someone fills a form, we want to send the Gmail. So I already have the connection. You can make a connection, and I want to send the mail on the mail ID that will be sent from the client in the form. So under the Google form, I will map this value, like whatever the mail ID will be there, it will be sent to that mail ID. So thanks for submitting the form. This is the subject, and let's say this is our salesperson will be in contact soon. Save, and I'm gonna run this again, but yeah, there's no form submission. It will, that's why it didn't proceed, and there's no data here. So I need to submit that here again. Let's say this is the bill, and this is the mail. Now I'm submitting this, and I need to run it again, and this will definitely send me a mail here. So yeah, here you go. Thanks for submitting the form. Our salesperson will be in contact soon. So see how easy is this. Please practice on this simple scenario. Create it by yourself. If you have any question, just ping me on my WhatsApp number, and stay tuned, like, subscribe and follow, so you can watch my next video with some advanced scenarios. Thanks for watching.